Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. After that click on search icon right hand side and then enter the model number of graphic card AORUS Radeon RX 6900 XT Master 16G and then click on the product. So you can see this is both your graphic card 1.1 and 2.0. So select any. Then click on support. Then select the operating system Windows 10 and 11. So there you can see two driver. So download any one, latest one. Okay. So and you can see this is all operating system download and installation process. And select which is you using. Then this is latest one and click to download. This is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. Okay, it will wait for second and then click on three dot and go to download. So you can see it is start downloading and this is size. So after it is completed, then click on this icon. After it open this location where it is downloading. Okay. Then right click and run as administrator. If you are Windows 10, so show more and then click on run as administrator. After that click on yes. And then click on install. After that this is extracting to your system. Now we can see this is installing, so it will take some time, and it is after installed then close it.